So go slow and keep your lines light at first. Feel your way around. And if you're not sure where to go next, then hesitate. Light lines leave lots of room for correction. And you know what? They kind of fade away into background tone anyhow, even if you just leave them there. And I like the result of having those background lines. You can see that in the finished drawing to the left. I like a kind of a little sideways smirk myself. Get that bib in there. Tabby marks are great for expression. In fact, I've been known to put tabby marks in cats that aren't really tabby, so that's how much I love them. The toe lines don't need to be exactly where you see them in the picture, just as long as you get some toe lines in there, kind of impressionistically. At this point, we're just kind of tweaking everything. Going easy. It's easy to go too far in a simple drawing like this. Think about each line you put down at this stage. Darken up the ones that are important. Ta-da!